This is a very common sense law that requires the government to look before it leaps, to analyze the environmental impacts, to do an environmental impact study, to take public comment, to consider alternatives, and none of that was done at so-called Alligator Alcatraz.
A federal judge has temporarily halted the construction of the Alligator Alcatraz detention facility over environmental concerns. The order came after a lawsuit by environmental groups filed against the Trump administration over the construction in the Florida Everglades. The detention center will still be allowed to operate and take in new detainees, but construction will need to halt for 14 days. The lawsuit accuses the construction of endangering the surrounding wetlands, plants, and animals. Plaintiffs argue the facility violates the National Environmental Policy Act because no environmental assessment was done before its construction. The state argues that because the construction is under Florida's jurisdiction, the NEPA rule will not apply. Regardless of how the case is ruled, the current structure making up Alligator Alcatraz will be permanent.